Hi, Blender Bestie. Hopefully all is well with you today. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and get into some cash stuffing. If you love savings challenges, I'll be doing a roll and save, doing some Christmas savings challenges that I've started in the month of July. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi Bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen, just in case if you're new here, welcome. So glad that you're here. Hopefully you find something interesting on my page that you will enjoy. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So we're going to get into some cash stuffing, but before I start getting into my cash stuffing, guys, I had ended up doing some scratch off saving challenges, but I realized that I didn't even record them. So let me get the binder so I can show you what I did and how much I cash stuffed towards each. So for this one here, I did cash stuff $2 for Budget Like a Boss. That's available on my website. It's a laminated scratch off. And then I did Dreamy Budget's Brittany challenge here. So I cash stuffed $8 for the Hiding from Stupid People. And then for Aesthetic from Simply Tease, I cash stuffed $10. Man, I was so disappointed that I didn't record it, but I did get those challenges done, so I wanted to share with you what I did. Alright, so let's see how much money I have left to go towards my next challenges that I'm going to work on. I want to do some Christmas savings challenges. Alright, so I'm going to count the money up, but please leave an emoji in the chat to let me know how you're doing today. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. This money's stuck together. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Alright, so that's how much I have left for the week to cash stuff. And I'm going to get my Christmas cash envelope binder. These are just in case if you're new here, these are challenges that I started in July, during Christmas in July. And any challenges from any other cash stuffer, I will have their information in the description just in case if you're interested. Alright, so I'm going to, since I'm going to use, well, let's see, which dice should I use for this today? I'm going to use, it's Christmas, let's use this red dice. So I'm going to have to shuffle the money, well not shuffle it, but let me sort this money down so this is my little spicy. I don't have any $5 bills, but I just have $2 bills and $1 bills. And let's just go ahead and place the $2 bills in between the $1 bills. And then we're going to see if I can complete some Christmas challenges. I know like one of animal challenges, I just have like one palm tree, and then I should be finished that one. So I should be able to finish, I know that one this time. And then the other ones, I'm not sure, but we're going to see. So let me know in the comments how is your budgeting and how is your savings going for the month of September? Because as you know, we're halfway through this month, almost. This weekend, we'll be halfway through the month of September. Can you believe it? Time is flying. I can't believe it. I just remember in January when we will start making our financial goals, and I definitely have to do an evaluation to see how I did so far for this month. And of course, this is the end of the third quarter. Okay. So I think I got everything set up. So let's see. All right. Let me make sure I have 6 savers challenges in here. All right. I think I'm good. So let's go ahead and get ready to get started. All right, so I think I'm ready to start. Let's see. All right, 6 first. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1 again. 4. Did I do 3 or 5 yet? 4 again. 4 again. Let me change dice. All right, 3 finally. 2, 1, 1 again. 5 finally. 4. So it looks like all of them got something. 6. Okay, so all of the challenges got something this time. Last time I did this binder here, all of them didn't get anything. So this is the first challenge here. And Elma made this challenge here, and I need to save $2. And as you can see, for this one, I save more than I need to. So because I did, I'll place that to the side. And if I can apply it to another challenge, I will. All right. So let me get my marker. So I've completed this challenge. And now that I've completed this, let's go ahead and mark this one. And then we're going to go ahead and count to see how much I've saved. All right. Let's count it up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that's $10. And I'm excited because I already started making my Christmas list and my Christmas budget planner. And I'm excited because I kind of have a general idea of some of the items that I want to purchase for my granddaughter and my great nieces. So excited because they're my first priority, the kids. Everybody else will come afterwards. So what I'm saving now definitely is going towards them. And then whatever I have left over from whatever I get for them will determine actually what I'll get for everybody else. Because the kids are first priority. All right. So this is Elma Challenge 2. And I only need to save $1. So I'll place the rest to the side. Another challenge completed. All right. Another challenge completed. So like my great niece, I was talking to her mom. She wants a trampoline, and my granddaughter has a small trampoline in her bedroom. And it's the cutest thing. And I was telling my nephew's wife about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. All right, so I saved $15 here. And she had mentioned that she wanted to get my niece trampoline. And I was telling her, like I said, I was telling her about my granddaughter's mini trampoline in her bedroom. And she was like, you know what, that would be a good idea. Because I think originally when she told me about a trampoline, she was thinking about for her backyard. But when I was telling her about what my granddaughter has, I think that's what she wants for my niece. So I need to look and price around for that. My daughter had told me what she had got my granddaughter's. but 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just making sure I counted right. So with the trampoline, that's what I have on the list for my oldest great niece. But I have to price around. I still haven't priced around. I did look what my daughter said when she got hers for my grandbaby, but I'm going to price around. And then, of course, there'll be some sales, and hopefully I can catch a sale and get a great deal on that. So that with this money definitely will be going towards something like that. Alright, so now let's get to the next challenge. And I saved $1. And let's go ahead and add this $2 here since I need $3 to complete this. And let me get another marker. Alright. So another challenge completed. The third challenge completed. I'm excited, guys, because this is my Christmas budget money right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the money out so we can go ahead and count this up here. Alright. We separate it. Are you still doing Christmas Savings Challenge? Leave that in the comments. And if you have any Christmas Savings Challenges, leave that in the comment as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 must be the magic number. Must be the magic number because with these challenges, so I saved another $15. Alright. Another challenge completed. Alright, so let's go to this one and see how much I've saved. I only need $1 left for this one. So another challenge completed. So far, I've completed all my Christmas challenges. So it should be $15. Just like the rest of them, because I did $1 each for each of these challenges. Alright, let's count this money up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Hold up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So that's another $15. And this challenge right here is in the bundle that's available on my website. Okay. Let's go to the purple Christmas challenge here. And see how much. Alright, so $2 I saved for this one, but you know I do have money set aside that I can apply it. Alright, so let's add the money that I need so I can complete this challenge. I had no idea once I started the Christmas challenge today that I'll be completing all these challenges. Now I do have a few more Christmas challenges that I do need to work on. Alright, so this should be $15 too. But let's go ahead and count just to make sure. I have the July Christmas challenge and my Christmas savings and my Christmas budget planners that I need to get to as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright. Yeah, 15 is the magic number. Alright, so that's another challenge completed. So that's 5 challenges, Christmas challenges completed. Alright, so let's get to this crossword puzzle. Let's see what I have left. Alright, so I have $4. Wow, guys. that binder, and I have what? How many words? I have three words to find on this challenge. Alright, so $3 to complete this one. And so what I have left? I have what, $10 left that I can apply to something else. Alright, so let me get this together so I can find these last three words. And please join in with me and let me know the first word that you find. Okay? Okay, so I found the word beach. Alright, and I have presents and stockings that I need to find. Alright. Now I need to find presents. And this is a freebie that's on Ko-Fi. Alright, so let's count this money up to see how much I did save with this one. Alright, so what? It looks like I saved, what, $16? But I have on here 17. I have on here $17. So I'm gonna put $2, $1 there, and add $2 so it can be $17 for this one. Alright, so I was able to complete all of my Christmas savings challenges that's in this binder, and I am so excited about that. Because this is giving me an idea of what I have to work with so far for Christmas. And with this challenge here, it does have this additional challenge that's on here. So I'm going to cut this challenge off so I can add it to my other binder. So yeah, let me go ahead and cut this off. And then the money that I have left over, I'm going to apply it to this challenge here. Alright. So let me place this part to the side that I've completed. And let's add this one. Let's see how much I have left over to apply here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Alright, so I have $9 that I can apply to this challenge. And like I said, this is a freebie that's on Ko-Fi. And what I think I'm going to do, instead of adding it back to this particular discount cash envelope system, I think I'm going to add it to my awareness, my awareness binder where I have the fall savings challenges. I think I'm going to add that to this. So let me go ahead and get that binder. Alright, so that'll give me a head start with this binder, and that's basically it. And I want to thank you for joining me today in today's cash stuffing. If you're not subscribed, hopefully you decide to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and engage with me in the comments. Alright guys, have an awesome day. Toodles.